In today's video, I'm going to show you the best ElevenLabs text-to-speech settings for YouTube creators. If you want your AI voiceovers to sound more natural and less robotic, this guide will help you set everything up correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open ElevenLabs. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard and click on Text-to-Speech from the left sidebar. Paste your script into the text box in the center of the screen. Before generating the voiceover, we need to adjust the settings properly. Step 2. Choose the right voice. Click on the voice selector at the top and choose a voice that matches your content style. For tutorials and educational videos, choose a calm and clear voice. For storytelling or documentaries, choose something more emotional. For shorts and fast-paced videos, pick a more energetic voice. The right voice makes a huge difference in audience retention. Step 3. Adjust stability. Next is stability. This controls how emotional or consistent the voice sounds. Higher stability makes it more consistent, but sometimes monotone. For most YouTube videos, keeping stability around 40 to 50 works really well. Step 4. Adjust similarity. Now move to similarity. This controls how closely the AI follows the original voice model. A good range for most creators is around 70 to 85. If your voice sounds unclear or has strange artifacts, slightly lower the similarity setting until it sounds cleaner. Step 5. Style exaggeration. For style exaggeration, keep it very low or at 0 in most cases. Higher settings can make the voice sound overly dramatic or unnatural. For tutorials, commentary, and educational content, lower settings usually sound much better. Step 6. Format your script properly. Good formatting helps the AI sound more human.